Welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, welcome. Today I'll be doing French tips with dual form. I'll be showing you two different techniques. So I have already done one over here and another one over here, and I didn't file and buff anything. I didn't do anything, and I have applied peel off base coat so that after doing the video I can peel off the nails and do another video. So let's get started. I will be applying another coat of peel off base coat. So today I am using peel off base coat from Vanillisa. And I'll be giving a quick cure of 60 seconds. So my nails are ready. I have taken the polygel from Francesca. This I have ordered from AliExpress, and a polygel brush. I have sized some dual forms for my nails. This one is for my pinky finger, which I have already done, so I am not taking this, and this is for my thumb, so I am not taking this also. I will remove it. And the other three forms which I have taken are, this is for my middle finger, this is number 6, and for my forefinger and my ring finger I have taken number 7. I don't have a slip solution, so I'll be taking some alcohol in this dampened dish. A little will do. A cotton pad, a lint-free cotton pad to wipe my brush. So I will start with one technique. Let me show you the technique, and then I'll be showing another technique for them. So first I'll be using white. I will do the tip first, then I will do the nail bed. Now I will cure this for 60 seconds. So my white polygel got cured. Now I'll be using the pink one for the nail bed color. I'll be taking a little amount. And will brush it, level it with the white one. I will place the now I'll be placing the dual form on my finger, on my nail bed, very lightly. See the back side, I'll brush it up and we'll give a quick cure of 60 seconds. So my nail got cured. It is cured from the bottom side also and from the upper side also. So I'll wait till it gets cooled down, then I will pop it off. So in between that, let me do another style. For this, I will take the pink color first. And we'll make a nail bed. So it got cured, but before popping this off, I will quickly finish my ring finger, and I will do the process which I have done for the middle finger. So my nails are cured now, and the only thing is missing is the white part of this nail. So that will be doing for that thing I need this dual form again. So let me pop these two out, all the three rather, and get back to this forefinger again. Now, before applying the white polygel over this, I have to file it according to the shape of the other nails. So let me file it off. Now I have filed it, and now I'll be applying the white polygel. Now I have applied it. Now see how I am going to place it on my nails. I will slide it down. And we'll hold it. We'll see the back portion. It's okay, not very. And we'll hold it for a few seconds and give a few flash cure. Now the nail is not going to move anymore. The dual form is not going to move anymore. So I will give a 60-second full cure and then I will file it. So now my nail is completely cured. Now I'm going to pop it off. Don't think about all these things. It will go off while filing. So now I'll be filing. See, it oozed out some portions over here that I will rectify by filing, and I will file the nails, buff the nails and come back again. So I'm back. I have filed, buffed and washed my hand. Now I'm going to apply the top coat. I'm using a top coat named Maple Top Coat Shine. It gives a really very good shine and it is no wipe. So this is after putting the top coat. So now, how do you like it? Please let me know which technique you like the best. You comment it below and let me know which one you would like to follow it in future. And thank you for watching. It's the end of the video. And before going, do like, comment and share if you want. And of course, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for the notifications that will come to you once I upload my video. So